Good morning, everybody. In this video, we're pouring some concrete. So we got a little apron, little driveway thing coming out this garage. Uncle Will's here. This is Frank's job. Got the truck here. Good prep work. We got wire and rebar and pins and height pins. Whoa! Got Meatball Matt as our driver. Ready to get rolling here. So it's gonna be a fun look here. We got some nice pitch going down the hill. So yeah, about to get started with this. Winter time is almost here. It's September. It's cold this morning, so that's no fun. I got goosebumps, so hopefully this concrete will start to warm me up a little bit. Pull that wire up, boy! Yeah. Oh my gosh! Look. Oh yeah, keeping it stiff. Says, you know, we're on like a really big slope here. You know, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, got that stiff stuff for the hill all out. We're mixing it up, giving it a drink, moving right along. Oh yeah, I got that. Now I'm stuck. Now I'm not. Look at that. Woohoo! Tripping over the wire. Looking good, looking good. Wow, look at that. Super pretty. It's all thanks to Meatball Matt. All right. So that's ready to edge. Look at that, all these dummy grooves. Got this pick out here highlighting all the dummies we put in. I didn't get any action shots of it on the poles, which sucks. How the heck you make them so straight? I don't know, man. Alrighty, look at that. Almost done. This whole side's completed. Just touching up a little bit over here. That's better it. Oh, way better.
Yeah, it's just like smooth. It's a little smooth in some areas, but
yeah, I think it's fine. Way better. Way. Oh my God! Look how pretty that is. Oh, all done, all sealed, stripped, the forms, all that good stuff. I mean, whoo. Good day, good pour. Got the truck all loaded up, ready to get out of here. And that's it for this job.